Short press bar button to turn the massage chair on. Short press bar button to adjust the massage session duration. 5 minutes will be added with each press. Relax mode, ease tension and stress, suitable for taking a nap between work or daily breaks. Sport mode, suitable for use after high-intensity exercise. Heavier force help muscles recover better. Neck mode, focus on shoulders and neck to relieve tension using a combination of kneading and shiatsu techniques. Waist mode, target the waist area to relieve tension and discomfort, offering focused relaxation. Stretch mode, zero gravity recline with full body airbag massage, perfect for ease muscle stiffness. Sleep mode, promote deep relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy a peaceful rest. In sleep mode, the massage chair will hold the position at the end of massage for you to have a better rest. Back button controls upper back massage rollers on/off. Mode button controls back massage rollers to rotate clockwise, counterclockwise. Waist button controls lower back massage rollers on/off. Mode button controls waist massage rollers to rotate clockwise, counterclockwise. Increase or decrease the massage speed of the rollers. Turn the foot rollers on or off. Adjust the massage speed of foot rollers. Buttock airbag switch. Arm airbag switch. Calf airbag switch. Shoulder airbag switch. Adjust the intensity of the airbags. Turn on or off the waist and calf heating function. Turn the chair into the zero gravity mode. Adjust the backrest up or down. Long press bar button to turn off.